Hey there, if you're curious about unlocking Breakout AI Premium and setting it up, you're in the right place. I'll show you the essentials and share a few tips to make your setup smooth. Upgrading to Breakout AI Premium is quick, just a couple of clicks, and you unlock a suite of powerful features. It really feels like accessing a secret level. The setup is personalized from the start. Breakout AI asks about your goals and workflow, so it can tailor the experience to you. The dashboard is sleek and easy to navigate, designed to help you get more done with less effort. To get the most out of Premium, I booked a one-on-one onboarding call with their expert, Sachin Gupta. Booking is simple. Just pick a time on their calendar. No back and forth, just convenience. The support team is proactive, making sure you're comfortable with every feature. During the session, they walk you through setting up your first automation, answer questions, and share best practices. It's like having a personal automation guide, ensuring you get the most from every feature. Now for the fun part, building your first automation. The drag and drop interface makes it easy, even if you're not a tech expert. I set up a workflow that scrapes leads from websites, writes personalized outreach messages, and sends them straight to my CRM. The whole process is seamless and saves a ton of time. It's like having a virtual assistant working for you 24/7. From upgrade to automation, you're supported every step of the way. Ready to get started? Check the pinned comment for the link to upgrade and book your setup session. Dive into Breakout AI Premium and watch your productivity soar. Whether you're solo or on a team, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching. Drop any questions in the comments, I'm here to help.